Good boy, good boy. Good job. Come on. Good boy, good boy. Good job. Come on. Let's go. It's windy. Windy up here. Bear houses. And so we're back. We're back trying to explore more of the area because I felt dissatisfied. I mean, we felt dissatisfied, so I had to come back to search for that bear. To the face. We're 1 mile in, trying to get 5 miles at least. Guys, pretty tired. Camera view. Hate the heat, but love the breeze. This is the area that we stopped at before. Passing that, heading. I think we climbed there before too. Hold on. Here. Super windy. The trail still goes down there, but it's going straight down, and yeah, I don't know what's over there. So we'll explore that way another day. Careful, buddy. It's high. And then just got views now. I'm just gonna sit under this tree, have a little snack, and then head back to the car. Probably go swimming because this guy deserves it. So we got my buddy took his vest off because it's getting super hot and he needed to cool off. It's windy up here, nice and breezy. We're under this tree. About to have a snack and then hopefully go swimming afterwards. We are 89 minutes in. We'll just keep going. Oh, shit right there. Camera's on. because he chose there to do it.